Well, what's going on, everybody? I know I ain't made a video in a while, so just been busy with work, Christmas, all that kind of stuff. But today I am going to install the window locks. They keep your window from pulling out when you're going down the track. I've never installed these before, so they give you a lock, a U-bolt to weld to your chassis that the lock holds into, something like that. They give you this little template here, which I'm assuming from what there's no directions in it, so it's kind of doing it all. But if you line the template up, from what I've gathered, everything is kind of centered in the circles and whatnot. So I think you put this up there. This will be your center hole for the bottom one to poke through, and the top hole will be for the bigger hole. So my first thing is I'm going to get this installed so I know where to weld this on. So let's go over there and check that out. So I've kind of already looked at a little bit of where my location. This will obviously be turned around this way, but just looking through the window at the cage, it's going to go somewhere right about here. So that's what I'll need to put this template somewhere, kind of get that lined up. I can see the cage inside there, and we'll drill these holes out, then hole saw these two holes out for the different size circles that flush into the window. So give me a few minutes to get some stuff together and we'll check it out. So I think that's where I'm gonna mount it at, right there. Hopefully that'll work. There won't be no turning back now. Bad thing about it is I ain't never done this before. So it's gonna have to work where I put it. I'm thinking that's it right there. I'm gonna go get me something to square this up with, make it so it's square in there. Well, I effed that up. I don't know why they don't send directions on how these are supposed to go, but for some reason I thought that was the latch. And this was how you opened it. Never had these on a car before, so I didn't know. So I walked down to Justin's car, and yeah, this is the top. This is what latches on the cage. This is what you push to unlatch it. Now, I have 2 holes because I made this a small hole. So I'm just gonna, I just called Cameron over at CJ Race Cars, Cameron Johnson Race Cars, to see if he had another sheet. Like saying, now I'm gonna make a whole new window and try it all over again. It's the part that you don't know. You think you know what you're doing and you don't know shit. And basically, I didn't know shit, but I know now. So I'll get these things put on. I'll go over to Cameron's, get a piece of Lexan, and we'll try again tomorrow.